So over here, you can see that I have a project in Davinci Resolve. And sometimes what happens is that you may want to continue editing in another software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Then in that case, what you can do is you can go around onto the deliver page. And once you go around over here on the top, you can see that besides the regular custom export and different video format export, there are options to export it in Final Cut Pro format right here, as Premiere format right here, as Avid or Pro Tool format, as you can see right here. So let's just go around and select Premiere, for example, right here. You can also select Final Cut Pro 7 or 10 right here. But let me just go around on to the Premiere XML format. So once you do that, you can go around and then choose out the location. So in my case, I already have desktop selected. And over here, you can see that you can go around and select out the format that you want to export the videos in as well. So I'm just going to keep it as it is in QuickTime. And the codec is uncompressed, as you can see, or you can go for S.264 over here as well. So I'm just going to go around right here and do that. And you can go around and arrange out how the video will be exported so that it is supported by Premiere. Similarly, you can go around, select out format for audio as well. So each and every effect that you work around with in Davinci Resolve, each and every color correction that you do, what happens is that it will be processed out as a rendered video so that you can continue editing it in Premiere. So I'm just going to go around over here, and you can see that you can change around the settings however you like. And once you're ready, you can click on add to render queue, and here you can see that Premiere Pro icon pops up. So you can go around and click on render all, and what happens is that it starts rendering out the file right here. So here you can see that it is rendering out everything on my desktop right here, just like this. Based on the options that we selected. And then what happens is that we can open that project out in Premiere once it's done, because it is going to export a Premiere XML file format. So that is done, as you can see right here. So let me just minimize, and over here you can see that this is the XML format which is supported by Premiere Pro. So let's just go around and open up Premiere Pro. So it is starting up, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and open the XML file. And you can see that the individual clips that was there in the project gets opened up right there. So this is what you have, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and open up the project. So let me just click on open project right here. And I'm going to go around onto my desktop, select the XML file, and click on open right here. So once I do that, what happens is that it loads up the project, as you can see right here. So you can see that these are the exact same footages that we edited in Davinci, and now you can see that the effects and everything that we applied in Davinci is here, and the clips are here as individual clips, and you can see that the audio are there in layer as well. So now you can continue editing this in Premiere as if it was Premiere project from the beginning. And that is how you can go around and export out your Davinci Resolve projects for editing with other software applications. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.